and we're back. I have done some stuff to the house. We have a bigger plant size, and I have this little room, and the next bedroom. And I have full armor, well not full, but full iron, and I did that. Oh, and I did a simulation of this thing burning down. It's that good. And yeah, what do I have in here? Stick. Let me turn on my graphics. There. Let's let it load. And yes. You're not supposed to be here. Got the house. Still not completely finished. But mostly. But today, we are going to be doing building. Building is a really important part. It's kind of boring to me, but you have to do it. And I'm recording this at like 2 a.m. The thing is of being a YouTuber. Even though I only have 1 follower. Who cares about that? I'll get up to 100, maybe even 1,000. You never know. As you can see, this is... I like the dark wood oak planks. Oh, the dark oak planks. They look nice. And yeah. I don't have that much left. I'll go get in some more. So, how do you like Dungeon? What? I forgot the name, but how do you think I like that game? I'm now playing, I think it's Water Tanks. Bullets on here. And I kinda like it. And yeah. You can't really record in it though. It's kinda, I can get about like 35 frames. And I recorded like 19. So yeah. Well, it's also live streaming on shoe.com/PeterDinner12. There. I'm just getting this done. Now I just need to get some more wood. And these, I need to go to bed. These uploads, all these YouTube videos, not going to be that long. Because my internet sucks. It sucks really bad. Oh, and I forgot to turn this back up. Hide it off in Creative. Switch, made a copy of this world and simulated what would happen. This thing burnt down. It's bad. I'll show you real quick. So this is, as you can tell, this was like the room that, yeah, and this is the outside. And this floor is very laggy for some reason. Okay, let's go back to this. Oh, well, it's still loading junction, I guess that's why. Okay, let's... Do I have an axe? I do. Let's go. These are probably going to be like 10 or 9 minute videos. Not long. Not really short either. 20 minutes too long, and 30 minutes is too much. I tried that, that's why I didn't have a let's play today. Or maybe it was yesterday, I don't know. This... But if you want stuff about me, I know how to play 5 instruments. I'm trying 6. Guitar, piano, drums, recorder, piano, I don't know if I said it or not, and clarinet. Those are the things I know how to play. I am skilled in most of them. Recorder, I haven't played in about a year, but yeah, I still know most of it. Not skilled at it, but I can play it. Clarinet and piano would be my best. Drums, it's kind of one of those things that if you know rhythm, you know how to play. So yeah. Let's finish off this tree. Also, I can't really do that many long minute videos because my CPU likes to heat up fast. 50 stack sword, huh? That's a good amount. So let's do that. Yeah, right now my CPU is heating up. That's why. So yes. I also have a little annoying brother, but he's with my grandma's today. Well, he went yesterday. He's staying on until Sunday night. Let's get this wall in. No. Guess I'll do the rest later. Goodbye, and this is Peter. Bye.